4000, which right now is tuned to about 750 something watts.
Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
It's two American-based XFL15s. The box, I'm not sure what the box is tuned to. It's tuned around 32, something like that. It's on ratchet straps because it had DC audio level 4s in it, and it blew the port apart. So we had to ratchet strap it down to keep the box from vibrating for this show. And then these wires are out here because to do the dB drag, you got to have one positive and one negative coming off the terminals to the speaker. So we had to do some rewiring real quick. That's why it looks like that.
Oh, okay.
It's on an American base PhD 4000, which right now is tuned to about 750 something watts or so, but it plays down to about 24 hertz.
Nice. Who built the box?
We actually bought it off of a dude that I bought my speakers from. He had a custom built, yeah. And
I'll go see the amp real quick. Nice.
It's all yeah, so when we had the DC audios in there, it blew the box apart, or that port. So now we have to do that to.
Yep, makes sense. Hey, it works. All right, love a demo.
Turn the volume up.
Oh.
All right, go ahead and.
What did it meter?
It metered, I think it's metered, highest meter was 146. I did and then I think at this show it did a 144.8, yeah, 144.7, something like that. It's been pretty consistent all over. But next thing is we're going to upgrade the door speakers, but that's at another time.
Okay.
I'll play, this is going to be 28 hertz.
Sounds like testicles, but it's bigger.
We're having voltage issues right now. think we might have a loose connection somewhere. I don't know.
The voltage was dropping too. I think like 11s.
Yeah.
Well, see, I got this one is for the back battery.
Yeah. Make sure that.
Okay.
That's
And then there's that one up there, but when this one drops, I can watch that one drop.
Last show we went to, it held about 14.
Really?
We had a ground come loose today.
That's probably might be what it is. Yeah. Hey, thank you for showing me.
Yeah.
Gotta check it out.
We got this one if you want to see it.
Yeah, let's do it.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.